What's up guys? So in the last video we were trying to fix the PCV issue. So we changed the hoses. It didn't do anything. So I ordered a new PCV. It's not here yet. So in the meantime we're going to be replacing the diverter valve. I have a soft code for the diverter valve. I don't want it to get any worse, so we're going to go ahead and change that today. If you're wondering where the diverter valve is, it is behind the wheel well on the passenger side. And I will put the camera through there and I will show you really quick. The diverter valve is located right here. It is held on with 3 T25 screws. You don't have a lot of clearance. God, I'm losing it. I'm losing it.
All right, we said this was really easy, but we're now an hour in and we're stuck on the last bolt. It's in a really difficult location. We had to take, what's that called you just took off? The inner fender? No.
The fender liner?
Yeah. We had to take the fender liner out so we could see better, and it's just not going really well. Turns out Brian is just an idiot and he's been using the wrong size bit for a solid 5 minutes now. So it wasn't actually that hard to get to. It was a little difficult, but it's out now and we're about to swap in the new one, clear the codes, and go for a test drive. Actually, it didn't have a code, so we're just gonna go for a test drive and see if it's still doing the same thing that I was doing.
This guy's gonna run
Too late.
Hold on.
I'm recording.
All right, well, he didn't get ran over. So we've got the diverter valve changed to the upgraded one. I don't know if I explained this earlier, but my car was not holding boost. I'd get up to about 10 PSI and then it would drop down 5. I did notice though, when we changed it, it does sound different. It's a little quieter, a little more like of a deep sound. So I'm thinking about getting a spacer to really amplify the blow off sound. But so far, the repair works. It sounds good, feels good. That's it for now.